I have to say, I'm going to share something very quickly with you. I went to her daughter's birthday, most amazingly organized birthday party, and that shows you how much of a hands-on mom she is.
Thank you, Mandira.
No, really. I sent you a message after that saying
Yes,
that was one of
did.
the best birthday parties I went to, and that just shows what a great mom she is. And frankly, you must be getting this a lot because I get it too. You don't look like a mom. I mean, what are moms supposed to look like?
New age moms.
Yes.
This is what we look like.
This is what
the
we look
new
like.
age mom looks like.
So I've interviewed Lara so many times in many other different capacities, but it's lovely to be interviewing you as a mom. And we're going to speak about mom things today.
Yes, of course.
Yes. So let's get right to it. What is the best moment that you've had as a mom?
Okay, before we start this, I have to say that obviously as an actor, you end up doing a lot of events and you do a lot of endorsements, but very rarely are events that you do something that are really, really fun. So in my view today, I don't know about anybody else who's here, but in my view today, I think I'm at a really fun event. And I hope you think you are too. Obviously, when you become a mom, the diaper takes on a whole new meaning in your life. I mean, this is almost like a character in your life. It becomes center stage. And walking, I mean, they handed me a pack of Pampers standing behind, and they said, "Is it okay? Are you comfortable?" I said, "You don't realize how comfortable I am. This is a really regular, visual of walking around with a packet of Pampers in my hand." And as you know, I mean, for me especially, ever since I've had Saira, it's been 3.5 years. And as mothers, we're constantly on the lookout, for things that are just going to make our lives a little bit easier. But at the same time, it's good and beneficial to the child. And I was sharing this with somebody else. My husband, I think one of the very few times that Mahesh has ever given me any amount of grief is when I asked him when he was coming back. I think he was coming back from London after the London Masters. And I said, "Oh my God, you're coming back. Can you please go to Sainsbury's and buy me these Pampers in that size? And can you make sure you're bringing back about 10 packets of it?" And I think that literally was the straw that broke the camel's back. He was like, "Sure, I'm going to be picking up my tennis kit, my suitcase, and a packet of Pampers. That's going to be like the visual that I want everyone to be left with Mahesh Bhupathi." No, but that's said and done.
But he's done that, hasn't he?
He's done it, of course. As a parent, you do things you never imagine you'll do.
And tell us about that moment where he actually
Exactly.
He actually
So
did
I
the
think,
deed.
yeah, picking up a packet of diapers from a conveyor belt is all very well. But a father attempting to change his child's diaper for the first time is a moment as a mother that provides you with so much of mirth and enjoyment. And in those days that seem like they're endless and you haven't slept for I don't know how many hours and days, walking in, I still remember this. So it was the very first time that I'd stepped out of the house on a work commitment. And I think Saira must have been, she wasn't tiny. She was about maybe 3.5 months old. And I was awarded something in Delhi, so I had to go and receive it. And Mahesh came along with me and brought Saira. And I was downstairs at the award ceremony for about 2 hours. And then I walked back into my suite to see a sign, of a visual of Mahesh standing there with this diaper in his hand, Saira screaming her head off. I mean, it was pandemonium. He had absolutely no clue what to do.
But he did.
Well, with a little bit of help. With a little bit of help. But he did it.
But as a mom, as a parent, you feel it's nice that, husbands are contributing and they can contribute. It's a lovely family moment, wouldn't you say?
I would say, and this is something, this is what brings you closer as parents. These are things that you bond over with your child. At the time when you're looking at it, a smelly, diaper with whatever is not the most romantic, you would say, aspect or moment. But those are the things that bring you closer as family.
Absolutely. Your best moment with Saira, perhaps?
Well, I think, every day, and you know this, Mandira, every day brings its challenges, right? Every day brings some really incredible moments that you can have with your child. And I think the one thing for me, the fact that Saira is a really sorted kid, she's a really happy child. I've made sure that I've created an environment for her in which she feels stable and secure. So just watching her every day, wake up happy, run around the house, run around getting ready for school, with a smile on her face. These are things that make you feel that, okay, I'm not doing too bad as a mom. I've got this covered. And one of the things that I really, really love about her, I know I was standing backstage and I hear you talking about it a lot. And I think as a mother, the first time, one of the first things that you really experience when they give you your baby to hold on to is, of course, how delicate and how vulnerable they are, but how incredibly soft they are. Yeah. So can we lift these babies? Or are they put down?
You can feel the babies, you can feel the diaper, whatever you want to do.
So while Lara is still feeling the babies, I've lifted this little one up. We were talking earlier, Mandira, about softness, and we were saying how the waistband and the leg cuffs, we were looking for softness even there, including the rest of the diaper. So when you look at this, we're trying to feel inside to see if all parts of the diaper are soft and make our judgment based on that.
Okay, if everybody's, if you have one?
Yes,
if
I
you have a
my
favorite,
selection. Yes.
a clear favorite, and you want to
I have a clear favorite.
cast your vote, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Go for
Here
it.
we go.
Exercise your franchise. There you go. Okay, that's Lara's vote. You go next.
Okay, that's mine.
And that's mine too. Okay. You're going to press it once.
Once
That's
more.
how the bell rings. Okay. So all of us have voted for 2. We're going to be Lara, Ajita, and my votes as well. Okay.
Oh, I'm curious to see as well.
Wow.
Where is it?
So 1 minute. 3% of you have voted for 1. 92% of you and us have voted for 2. And 5% have voted for 3. So there's a massive
Super.
landslide kind of margin
For
win.
sure.
For number 2, can we see which diaper brand number 2 is? It is indeed Pampers Premium Care Pants. You voted, we voted. Like we were talking, about that lotion business.
Yes.
You can feel that as well.
Yes.
So we win hands down.
It's bringing back little flashback
Memories.
memories.
Memories. So we have seen softest for baby skin. We've talked about some of the cool features. But driest, how does it stay dry, and how does that part of it work? Ajita, would you do a little demo for us in this dry?
Going up.
Is that good?
Yeah, just put all of it. It keeps going up, and if you look, it's all getting absorbed. All the liquid
Wow.
in this little beaker is getting all absorbed, and the white powder is just gone all the way up. That was just 2 teaspoons of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to push it further because we're looking at 12 hours of dry there. As much as it fits in that beaker, I guess, before overflowing. Oh,
Well,
there you go. Perfect.
Okay. That's
So,
all of it.
Some more. We filled it up all the way to the top now. And this is exactly what happens in the diaper over a period of the whole night.
I turned my back for 1 minute. Did you add something more to it?
We put some more water.
That was not a part of the plan. How did that happen?
We put some more water. So
Woo.
this basically is, perhaps about 3.
Oh, wow.
So that's what it is. So the gel.
That is amazing.
Yeah, the magic powder has absorbed all the water. It's become into
amazing.
gel. And so that's what the baby feels.
And even when you touch it,
it's dry.
It's dry. It's not
It's
like
dry to
That's
touch.
amazing.
Yeah.
That is amazing. I mean, normally, you're as a mom, you're in the market looking for a product that you know is going to do the job, but to actually see the science behind it is amazing. I'll never look at a diaper the same again.
I have to
Look
say,
at their
this
Pampers.
powder has some superpowers.
It is-
So we have-
it is a
This is
superpower.
all about a
Amazing.
superpower kind of day. We have a super mom here who changed a diaper on the Great Wall of China, baby in one hand, diaper in the other, and now we have a superpower powder. That is
But it's so nice to see that. I mean, it's
That
nice to know, the science, the technology that goes behind it. Otherwise, you never know. You buy a product, you think आप भूल गए अब किस तो हाँ, बोलिए।
कब आपको लगा कि पैम्पर्स भी अब आपकी लाइफ में बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है?
आई थिंक बच्चा पैदा होने के बाद ही आपको ये पता, पहले आप डायपर्स के बारे में तो सोचते ही नहीं हो, और फिर वो बहुत ही आपकी ज़िंदगी का बहुत ही अहम हिस्सा बन जाता है। और स्पेशली जैसे बच्चा पैदा हो, एक जो डायपरिंग की जो चीज़ शुरू होती है, जो सिलसिला आपकी ज़िंदगी में शुरू होता है, वो एक 2 या 3 साल के लिए एक बहुत ही बड़ा बॉन्ड हो जाता है। और मैंने हमेशा पैम्पर्स को यूज़ किया है सायरा के लिए, और एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जिसमें मुझे विश्वास है, इसलिए मैं आज बहुत ही आई वुड से एक्सपर्ट के मायने से यहाँ पे खड़े होके बोल सकती हूँ कि इट्स अ फैंटास्टिक प्रोडक्ट।
सायरा किस तरह से मतलब पैम्पर्स को नॉर्मली बच्चे पहनना पसंद नहीं करते क्योंकि
बिल्कुल।
उनको अंदर खुजली हो
Correct.
जाता है या तकलीफ होती है।
बिल्कुल।
तो सायरा किस तरह से मतलब
नहीं, आई थिंक ये इसीलिए ही इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि पैम्पर्स जो कंपनी है, पीएनजी है, अगर एक कंपनी अपने प्रोडक्ट के अंदर बहुत ही रिसर्च और डेवलपमेंट करे, तो अगर उनका मकसद हो कि एक बच्चे को कंफर्टेबल रख सके, आज हम लोगों ने बहुत सारी चीज़ें के बारे में बात किया है कि बहुत ही मुलायम त्वचा रहती है बच्चों की, तो ऐसे कोई डायपर रैश या चैफिंग, ड्राइनेस ऐसा पैदा ना हो जो बच्चा अनकंफर्टेबल रहे। अगर एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट क्रिएट कर सकती है मार्केट पे, ये एक प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट है मार्केट में जो उन्होंने अभी इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, और जिसमें से बच्चा 12 घंटा रात में सो भी सकता है, ऐसे कोई वो उठेगा नहीं क्योंकि डायपर गीला हो, या बच्चा खेल भी सकता है क्योंकि ऐसी कोई नमीपन उसे मतलब महसूस नहीं हो रही हो। सो आई थिंक इट्स अ फैंटास्टिक प्रोडक्ट, अगर एंड दैट इज़ द होल कॉन्सेप्ट इन माइंड कि बच्चा सुरक्षित रहे।
जी, आप 2-3 साल लगभग आप फिल्म से दूर रही, तो कभी ये ध्यान में आया कि कभी ये सायरा बड़ी होगी फिर मैं
नहीं, मैं बहुत ही इन्जॉय कर रही थी बिल्कुल, मैं बहुत ही इन्जॉय कर रही थी, और मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में कुछ जल्दबाजी में नहीं की। तो अभी वो फ़िलहाल स्कूल जाना शुरू कर लिया है उसने, तो मुझे थोड़ा सा वक्त मिल गया है, इसलिए फ़िल्में कर रही हूँ। और बस ऐसे ही है कि आप जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आएंगे उसे इन्जॉय करें, धीरे धीरे चलते रहें।
सिंग इज ब्लिंक के बाद क्या
वेल, ऑफर्स तो आ रहे हैं, और मैंने हमेशा अपने करियर में काफ़ी कॉमेडी फिल्म्स की हैं, मैं इंजॉय भी करती हूँ, और ऑब्वियसली सिंग इज़ ब्लिंक के बाद काफ़ी ऑफर्स आ रहे हैं, लेकिन फ़िलहाल अभी तो अज़र है जिसकी शूटिंग अभी तक जारी है, और फितूर है, वो दोनों फिल्में साल भर में रिलीज़ होंगी। मैं लॉयर का किरदार कर रही हूँ।